Stop now. Feel that?
Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. As you see from the title of the video, I am going to be doing a look with this Pure and Raw Beauty Christy palette. Raw Beauty Christy is a YouTuber here on YouTube, of course. She came out with this palette earlier in the year, and it actually sold out. Couldn't get my hands on it. But I actually got my hands on this like a couple of months ago, and I'm just now being able to use it. So I wanted to come on here, do just a look with the palette. Not really like a first impressions, but kind of like a first impressions, but not too, you know, formal, I guess. But yeah, I wanted to come on here and do a look with you all for the first time using this palette. This is a dual-sided palette, and I'm sorry it's not available anymore, y'all. It was very popular, which congratulations to her, because girl. But it's dual-sided. It has the more colorful side. This is the side we played with today. Each side only has a shimmer in the middle. The rest are all mattes. But I really like it. Very compact. It has some of her drawings on it. I hope my fingerprints aren't on it too bad. But it has her drawings on it on both sides. This is the side I use. If you want to see more looks using this palette, then just let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so hey guys, I'm back. It's me again. I know, back so soon. I know. Give me some credit. Give me some credit. So, to get started, I already did my brows just to save time. I don't want to have to cut to nothing and be like, let me do my brows. Nope. They're already done. So, if y'all want to see like an updated brow something, like I will, but there is really nothing that I've changed. So, I'll leave something in the cards. I'll leave a card up top so you all can check that out, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to first prime my skin so that the primer can be sitting in. We're going to use Trusty Dusty Milk Primer. Hydro Grip. I know for a fact this don't have me looking glowy out here in these streets. I don't want to look glowy. I'm going to start with my eyes. I want to use this Pure and Raw Beauty Christy palette. I finally picked this up. You cannot find this anymore. I'm so sorry. But I finally got it when it came back in stock. So that's the only reason I have it. If you're not aware of who Raw Beauty Christy is, she has been on YouTube for like a long time. And she's very successful. Now having her very first child. Congratulations, Christy. And yeah, so I saw this palette. And I was looking at it trying to figure out like if I wanted to try it out, and by the time I decided that I wanted to get it, it was sold out and it didn't come back in stock for a while. So it finally came back in stock, and I actually picked this up, I want to say a couple of weeks ago, and I'm gonna use it here for the first time. This palette was the artwork and everything it's by Christy herself. This is Christy here on the back of the palette, and this is a dual-sided palette. So we have the really colorful side, and then we have the neutral side, which we're going to use this side today. This palette, I believe, retailed for $38. I picked it up off of Ulta. Brighter side. And it has artwork in the inside as well. I'm sure everybody has seen this already, but you haven't seen it on my channel, so we're going to do it here. And then the side that we're going to be using is the more natural side, which is here. The shades are really pretty though, so... But like it must be like a lot of product in here because the palette is not really big and bulky, but by looking at it, you wouldn't be able to tell that it's a dual-sided palette. Because it's so like not bulky, but I'm going to take my favorite primer, my P. Louise primer. This is in the shade Rumor 3. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go into is one of my absolute favorite like transition shades. Y'all already knew. Y'all already knew I was going right into that shade. I'm just going to use this Sigma E40 brush just to pack that in my crease and do a little bit of blending. This palette is a non-shadow palette, but only one of them is a shimmer shade, which is very interesting. This one is Told You. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade You're Not My Real Dad, which is here on the end. Taking the same brush, and I'm actually going to put it on the outer portion of my eye, as I normally would. A lot of my looks lately, I've been trying not to like actually focus on a lot of, I don't want to say technique, but I feel like it takes away from like my love of makeup when I focus so much on, you know, how perfect something doesn't look, or it doesn't look right, it doesn't look like that. Like my love for the actual art like gets taken away because I don't want to say I take myself too seriously, but you can take yourself a little bit too serious if you don't allow yourself to just be in the moment and enjoy just doing the makeup, to be honest with you. I'm my worst critic. Like, I'm my worst critic. I am harsher on myself than anyone will ever be. And it's terrible, but it's true. So I'm going to take, I want to take a little bit of this Acid Rain primer by P. Louise, part of the Mitchell collab. I want to take a little bit of this and do something like a cut crease, but not a cut crease. Go back in to this shade You're Not My Real Dad, which is the deep brown shade. Just pat that on the end. I'm using like this shader brush too. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to take It Just Does, which is like this corally peachy shade, and it's a matte, but I'm going to use that to pack that all over my lid. Ooh. I'm going to take this Bedazzle Tools number 772 brush. It's another lid brush, but we're going to take it to get into the inner portion of that cut. I like this. I like it a lot. I'm going to take You're Not My Real Dad again, just to blend it out on the outer portion of my eye. The names of these eyeshadows are hilarious. They have this shade here on the other side. I want to take a little bit of that and put that in my inner corner. Ooh. I know, right? No fallout. With the exception of this like little shimmer portion here, like that's the only fallout we have. What?
When she calls, when she calls, or when she calls, when she calls. There's a knock on the door. It's like, who can it be? But then they say it's for you. It's like it cannot be. It's like 7 a.m. Damn, who can it be? Who? Oh, it's you. It's like a fantasy. Damn, I thought you came at 3. Well, I guess when I assume I make an ass out of you and me, just like I assume you throw that ass at me. It's cheesy, but I know the corny pickups will somewhere get you. Either way, we'll run and dip off to the sunset and moonlight. However way you pictured in the motion pictures, or like the DVD main menu. Fast forward to the best part, or your fave part. You're that part, you're the best part. You my apple pie, you my peach cobbler without car cars. And it's like this field with all odds. I swear it's nothing to you. It's nothing. It's nothing. I'm willing to bet my full hand, and I ain't bluffing, lil' boo. Ways to be with you. Shit, I can drown up in the sea with you, put ground beneath the feet of you. My heart may skip a beat or two to be with you, to be with you. Fall down our path, re-birth into Beetlejuice. Sorta like that Jesus dude, but that's for now until we see the truth. Lord only knows what a nigga probably do to you. Shit, what I do to you, I swear you're beautiful. You're like my evening moon or waking up the morning tune. Sorta like that gun in my mouth.
Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How we liking it, honey? This color right here, what's the name of this? It just does it for me. You know what I'm saying? This is it. So I really like this palette. Let me know down in the comment section if you all want to do, if you want me to do a look with these bright colors, because I know it's fall. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. It's all about enjoying the makeup. If you all want to see that, then just let me know. I do like the palette. I love the fact that there was no fallout. Like, I loved it. Like, I don't care if there is fallout, but the less fallout, like, the better. So I love the fact that there was absolutely no fallout. I didn't have to wipe or clean anything up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.